What this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're gonna talk about as a new agent, right? What you can do if you enter a new development or even a new place. We're talking about high rise here, only high rise. Okay. So first things first, what you can do is to take video and photos. Yeah, we all know just to take video and photos, right? But what I do is that I take the video of a development, the whole development. Let's just say we go today to Sunway Villa. So I'm going to take a video of Sunway Villa. I already did. You can check out the video. The whole development, I'm going to show like the overview, everything, the property tour of the whole development, and show one of the unit then. Next, right, when I get the keys, what I'll do is also a home tour of the unit itself, of the unit I want to rent or unit I want to sell. So I will do two videos. One is vertical format, straight like this, and one is landscape. Okay, landscape like what you are watching now, right? Landscape. So I will put the vertical at all short form content. The verticals, right, I will try to keep it as less than 3 minutes because YouTube Shorts cannot be up to 3 minutes. Okay, so these vertical ones, I do not talk. I will just add text on it, do a whole tour, and click on these platforms, all the social media platforms, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything, because they have stream. So why not just use maximum? Okay, the landscape ones I will put on YouTube. Yes, I have another YouTube channel that specifically for my listings, rent, sell, or even rent or sell. Okay, all my listings, all I put on that YouTube channel, because let's face it, these videos take a lot of our space. We want to put it on our laptop, so how long are we going to keep? All right, but photos we can keep. Photos we take, we keep. Okay, so I'll take the photos. I'll put the unit number and the owner, and then the development. Let's just say today we use Sunway Villa as an example. I put Sunway Villa, the big folder, then the subfolder inside will be the unit number and the owner name, then the photos inside. Okay, so I will keep the photos, and I also will keep, if I get to rent out or sell the unit, I will keep the relevant documents together with it. Okay, then the videos I will keep because it takes too much space. I will put on YouTube, put on TikTok, put on social media, and because they don't charge me for storage anyway, so I'll just put them. Then what you do with the videos, you link to your listings. Remember now, iProperty and Property Guru, you can actually link to YouTube. So make full use of that. Okay, make sure you link to the videos that you have done. That's what you can do. That's what I'm doing also actually. Wherever is possible, I will definitely take the keys on the owner, and this is what I'll do. Every unit, let's just say you go for Sunway Villa, you just do one property tour. That's the good news. You just need to do one property tour, then the rest are all units. Okay, different units, different owners. That's all. And once you do one video or that one unit, next time you want to rent, you just send the link to the tenant. The next time the owner want to renew, right? You have a video already. Okay, it's easy. And when you do this video also, you also position yourself as an expert, right? You're expert at that development, and the owners that see the videos, right, they will come and find you. Not just owners, people who want to sell, people who want to rent that also will come and find you. You will get leads from social media. Next, you just not just get leads, when you post it on listing portals, make nice pictures, you also get co-agents. Outside also will get co-agents. The co-agents will come and find you. When they see, wow, this guy got so many videos on the same place, so many different units, they will come and find you. The co-agent will come and find you. Do you want to co-broke? So doing videos, right, and also photos nicely, if you do well, you can actually position yourself to get more listings and also to position yourself as an expert in that development. Okay, we're talking about just one development. Next, you can also create a day in the life content, right? A day in the life of a real estate agent. What you do, you don't have to purposely do this. If along the way is very busy, right? We can just choose one day when you got appointment. Then you choose something like today, I got appointment, right? I can actually film on morning how I prepare. After that, what I do, and meet the co-agent. After that, what I do. Just a day in the line. Short one just to introduce yourself and what you do as a real estate agent day to day. Okay, after this, go back also what you do before, after you get the pictures, what you do, videos, what you do. That's what you can do for the next thing as a real estate agent to position yourself. And this is also to, when you do a day in life, right? Actually, frankly speaking, all the agents have the same day in their life. But when you do, right, it's actually unique to you. All the contents that you do will be unique to you. People want to know you as a real estate agent, people will want to know you as a person, not just a real estate agent, all right? I know everybody is dangerous and sin, but what you do it is yours. It's not anyone else. One more thing, when you go to a new development, you can also see the renovation posters, right, at the door there. So you as a new agent, right, what you can do is that you take down the name of the owner, and second is when the renovation going to complete. And you also survey, like one floor, right, how many units is tenanted, finished renovated, and also how many units is empty. Right? You can see the units is empty by the lights. Right? You see the lights still hanging, they haven't put a fitting, that unit is empty. Why is this important? Because when you get the keys, right, you can tell the owner speed is of essence. Especially it's the first time property investor. Usually first time property investors, right, they're hesitant. It's normal. Okay. Sometimes you get a good for them a good offer, they come, then they say, oh, I want a higher rental. But they don't know. Once all these units finish renovation, they're going to start competing among them and the price will be lower than what they have. So you can use this to convince the owner to rent out as soon as possible. Report to them, like for example, one floor, how many units is already finished renovation, how many units still under renovation. Then you roughly estimate. From there, you roughly estimate, and you can also ask the management, like, how many units still have defects. So roughly, when you report all these numbers, you tell the owners that you are doing your work, and you are also trying to emphasize the urgency of the matter. You must get the unit renovated fast so that it can be in the first in the market. So, not when tenant comes, right, there's not many choices. There's not many choices of a fully furnished unit or even whatever they want. Let's just say they want a basic unit. There's not many choices. When it comes to furnishing, this is something that we have to discuss in another video. But what you can do as a new agent is this. Okay? So as a new agent, I highly encourage you to come to the management office. Why you come to the management office? Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself as an agent covering that condominium. Okay, and second is ask them for a chance to advertise on their notice board. They make sure you see where is the notice board, because if you have a unit for rent or even for sale, it's most likely that the notice board is where people are going to come and see the notice board. And most condominiums, if you ask, they allow you to advertise your listings, of course for a fee. Okay? But there's extra visibility. There's something you can't get when advertising at the portal. And if you do not come, you also will not get this opportunity. Okay? One more thing, when you are at the facility store, like, what you can do is to talk to people. Just talk to everyone in your team. That's what I like to do. Say, I talk to those gardeners, the security guard, the people in management office, the people that is their families, anybody actually. I just find out whether they are the owner or the tenant. Then I introduce myself, I give my name card. Must bring your name card everywhere. Also, your lanyard must wear it. Yeah, I know I'm not laying my lanyard, but this is just for the good. One thing, here's a trick. You give them the card, if they accept or not, is up to them. Okay, you cannot force it. When you give them the card also, don't ask them for their contact. You are just spreading the word out. People not comfortable with you, right? First time you introduce yourself as a real estate agent and then give card. People is like, oh, you want to sell something? Oh no, I don't need it. Right? This kind of feeling. So just give the card and go. Okay? If you have a time, I personally I like to ask if you're a tenant or you're owner, like if let's say you're a tenant, I want to know where you're from. Especially if I see it's a foreigner, the extent you know, right? I'll ask where you're from. Then from there, right, you can actually gauge who is the one that's staying there. Who is the one that's staying there. place that you are going to cover. Okay, that makes you an expert because you have the site visit. So after you pass the card and if they contact you, usually what I do, I will send them my social media profile. Okay, I let them follow my social media profile. Maybe it's a YouTube channel or Instagram, whatever you're using your main social media profile, just send to them one. Okay, that's all. I'm not sending to them anything. I'm just saying that this something like this to okay, so if you want more information about real estate or even if you're looking for buy, sell, rent, this is my social media profile. This is my YouTube channel. You can follow. I share a lot of tips out there. That's it. Stop there. I never ask whether you want your property to buy, sell, or rent. No, I don't ask. I just send first. Wait first. Okay? You educate first. You let them follow the social media. Let them understand. Make them educate them about this real estate, about whatever they want, whatever concerns they have. Okay? Later, they're not profitable with you, then yes, they themselves will come back. Perhaps they have something to buy, perhaps they have something to sell, or perhaps they have something to rent out, or even friends or family to refer to you. Okay? The cleaners and the guard, okay, and staff and the manager office, they actually hold a lot of information that you don't know. So, as a real estate agent, right, or even as a human being, please be kind to them. Don't try to show that you are. Don't go there and kind of you are entering people's house. Okay? They work here, if they can make or break you, if they park you and they don't like you, why to enter? Don't care what owners say, they to enter. They will make your life a living hell. They can also be your best allies if you know how to be nice to people. That's in general, just be nice to people, that's all. Okay? Next, speaking of shops, if you go to a service apartment, the place, you observe what kind of shops there is open there. For example, like you go to Mont Kiara, you walk around Mont Kiara, you will see a lot of restaurants, Koreans, Japanese. And then that is why when the shops open, means there's demand for it. Demand from where? Demand from Korean and Japanese. So that's why Korean and Japanese, a lot of them is concentrated in places like Mont Kiara, South Park City, these kind of places. You see a lot of places that cater to them. And if you see those hot pot, especially the open Chinese hot pot, like the South Park City, there are like a lot of hot pot restaurants, right, run by Chinese nationals. Then because there's demand there, that's why they open. The Chinese people are staying there and they want there is a demand for that hot pot. Same goes if you go to a Muslim friendly place. Let's just say you go to a Muslim place, you see a lot of this new China, Mi Tarik, China Muslim. They are from China. They come here. They are Muslim. They come from China. Come here because they sell halal food. So they sell to the Muslim community. Doesn't matter whether it's local or foreigners. But in that place, there's more concentration of Muslim community. So this is very important. As an agent, you need to know because as an agent or as a real estate agent, you need to be observant. Look at the surroundings and try to think what is going on in the surrounding. What does this surrounding try to tell you? The mix of tenants is very important. So this is something, again, I like to emphasize. You cannot get online. You ask the owner to pass you the photos. That's it. You don't know what is the shops down there. Who are the people that are staying there? You don't know. Okay, you need to go to site visit. I cannot emphasize this enough. Site visit is so important. Okay, now it's 9 p.m. So I need to go and transfer all the videos that I do today, recording this to my desktop to edit later. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Doing content and together with your real estate work. I understand. That's why a lot of real estate agents, there's no time to content. They're so tired and they don't produce content consistently. But here's the good news. The good news is you need to only do it once. Then the content will stay there for forever actually until you take it out. And usually what I do, I come back, what I do is that the vertical videos, I straight away edit and upload. Because there was no sound, I put a background music, I straight away upload. Then the rest I transfer to my desktop for later editing. But we can talk about how real estate agents like us, right, busy real estate agents, can create content faster and more content, okay, in a later video. But for now, I hope that whatever I shared has been helpful to you, especially if you're a new real estate agent. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye-bye.